So here we are, we're just going to make a demonstration of the coffee machine virtual digital twin. So I'll start by selecting virtual, and then I have to select where I want to put it. So we'll just twist it around and reposition it slightly, and there it is. So you can see behind it a physical digital twin. Now I haven't actually finished building this one yet, so I can't twin that one. But this is a twin of one of my colleagues somewhere else in the world, and we're just going to show you how this one works, and then later on I will do a physical overlay on mine once I've finished building it. So what I want to start with first is just a visualization to explode the base and just talk a little bit about that. What have we got here? So what we've done is taken that physical machine, and then taken it to pieces and scanned all the parts and created the 3D. So we haven't worked by working with Nespresso to get their 3D. We've actually created all of this in here. So this is a good analogy for what you might have to do with a deployed asset that's already in situ and you don't have the 3D for it. So we can do all sorts of things and look around there, but we've also added sensors on this one so we can get a state of it. So I just want to show you the sensors on this one as well. So let's put all of the sensors on. So all of these have been added. They didn't come with an espresso machine. There are 10 sensors there for various different things that give us the state of the machine and allow us to show the visualizations that I'm going to show you in a second. So let's just make the first coffee. So we can do this in two ways. I just want to first of all add the cup and the capsule in there, and then make a coffee with this as it stands, so you can see this simulation of what's going on inside of the machine and what's going on with the temperatures and pressures and the coffee being made and the process that's going on. So that's going on inside the machine, and if I had the physical machine I'd be able to show you that going on inside that physical machine. But what I want to do now is just change the view a little bit and show you some other things here. So if I turn off everything on the machine, make it all disappear, and then bring back little bits of it, we'll bring back the reservoir, we'll bring back the heater and the shelf and the pump. Now we'll repeat that process and simulate making a coffee. So you can see the same process going on, but you'll notice with the pump that actually it's gone blue, and that's because we're also showing in parallel a finite element analysis visualization that we brought in from an external tool. In this case it was done with ANSYS, but you can see that the colors change due to the stresses and strains of the operation of the pump as it's making the coffee. So let's just show that again. And you can see as the coffee goes through it, you've seen the visualizations of the coffee over the top of it. You'll see that it gets red in places as the fluids go through, as it pumps them up, and as the pump itself vibrates and gets stresses and strains, and then as it calms down you can see it all disappears. So these are a couple of different visualizations that we're showing on there. Let's go back to the other view, the asset view, and what I want to do is show everything, so all on, and we'll go back in to showing the exploded views, and we'll explode the base and show a couple of other things in here. So what I'm going to do now is just select the pump, and we will look at that pump here. Now what I want to show you here is just going down to a lower level. Now you can see all of the different parts inside of this pump here, and in particular you can see this part here. So this is the pump vibration sensor that we've added, which is connected into the an accelerometer on the side of the pump, just to show a bit of information, and also to show you that we've added various bits including the electronics. So what I want to do now is just select this, and we'll go back go back again. And what we can also do, because I can collaborate in here with other people, I haven't got anybody in this session with me right now, is that I can pick this up and I can take it somewhere else. So we can put it somewhere else where we want to collaborate with it, pin it down, and then we can do various things and work with it and take it back. But that will do for now. Just hopefully get a quick feel for what's going on with the coffee machine digital twin. Thanks a lot.